Cause I'm icy, wifey, haters wanna fight me. Never been the one get RP up on a whitey. Keep my hands clean, got some hitters.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name's Aisa, and if you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below so you don't miss any of our new videos. So today I'm coming to you guys with this winter icy slash frosty makeup look. I was just playing with color, and since it's cold outside, you know, well, in some countries it's really cold, so I thought, why not do a winter inspired look? So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. If you want to see more of our makeup and hair tutorials, don't forget to subscribe, as I mentioned. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and comment down below if you decide to recreate this look, because we would like to see it. And don't forget to follow us on our social media to show us how you recreate this look. Anyways, before I start talking too much, let's get into the video. Okay guys, so first, as always, I'm going to be using my MAC Prep+Prime to prime my skin. And my skin has actually been looking better because I've been using this new product and it's been doing my skin really well. I like it. But yeah, I'm just going to blend that in on my face and my neck. So going into that Anastasia Beverly Hills cream contour palette, I'm going to be using that coral color first to color correct some of my dark spots left. But like I said, they've been kind of fading, so I'm happy about that. Moving on to foundation, I'll be using the same one I've been using lately, the Maybelline Fit Me Foundation in 340. And I'm just going to go ahead and pat that on my face with my brush at first. And then I'll be using a beauty blender to like blend, make sure it's well blended and melts into my skin. Back to that Anastasia Beverly Hills contour palette, I'm going to be using that nude color, and I'm going to be putting that on my forehead, the bridge of my nose, underneath my eyes, my cupid's bow, and my chin and my cheeks, just to kind of lighten up the areas, you know, and highlight those areas. And then after that, I'm going to go ahead with my beauty blender and just blend those areas out. Back in that same cream contour kit, I'm going to be using that color chocolate, I believe it is, and just contouring my cheeks, my jawline, my nose, and then my forehead. And then using the other side of my beauty blender, I'm going to be blending out those areas and just making sure it melts into my skin seamlessly. So to set those highlighted areas, I'm first going to go in with this RubyKiss, I think it's a translucent powder in the color Banana. And to be honest guys, I'm having mixed feelings about this setting powder now, because I feel like that setting powder kind of leaves me a little white. I'm going to go on top of it with the color Macchiato from the ABH contour kit or contour palette. And to set that contour, I'm going to be using the color Havana from the ABH palette and just going over those contoured areas. On to the brows guys, I'm going to be using my trusted Rimmel London pencil. I'm almost done, so you know, bear with me, but I'm just going to contour those brows and fill them in to my liking. Okay, so moving on to the eyes, this is the part that started going extremely wrong guys. So as you can see, I already have color on my lid, and I accidentally picked up a wet brush and dipped it in the wrong color. So at this point I was just trying to kind of like fix it, and I went in with the color Blindsided from the Urban Decay Full Spectrum palette. That has been my go-to lately for all these makeup tutorials. So yeah, I'm just trying to kind of pat that color on my lid and kind of also fix my mistake from before. So moving on, I'm going to be using the color Metamorphosis, and just kind of keeping that mostly in the middle of my lid, and then I'm going to bring it into my inner eye and also a bit on the outer eye, and you guys will see why later. So I did spray my brush with some Fix Plus, and I'm just kind of patting that in. I didn't use any concealer, but next time I do this look I might try it with concealer. You guys can try it with concealer too. So the next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take that color Iced and just strictly keep that mostly in the inner corner of my eye, and not bringing it in more than halfway on my eyelid. So I'm just patting that in. I did spray my brush with some setting spray, but yeah, I had to pat it in a lot because the color wasn't showing up as much as I wanted it to, so bear with me guys. Lastly, I'm going to be using that color Bum. It's kind of a white shade, and I'm literally just putting that in my inner tear duct to kind of give this look a pop. And once again, I did spray my brush with some setting spray. And then once I'm done, I'm just going to go back and kind of try and blend all that together, because it was kind of looking harsh, so I'm just blending that all together. So time for mascara. I'll be using the Maybelline, the Colossal mascara, and I did go ahead and do my eyeliner off camera. For that I used my NYX eyeliner, I'll put it down in the description. Well, actually all products will be in the description box, so don't worry if you kind of miss something. So moving on to blush, I'll be using that duo palette that I always use, and I'll just put a little bit for this look, guys, because this look was kind of more icy, so I didn't want to go overboard. And then I'll be using that Carli Bybel palette. I'll use that first highlighter shade, and I know, guys, my palette looks crusty, but it's not my fault. It actually broke while I was traveling. You know how they be handling suitcases? Yes, I had put this one in my suitcase, and that's what happened. So yeah, I'll be putting that everywhere and on my tear duct. And then using my Anastasia Beverly Hills lip palette, I'll be using that color. I forgot the number, but I'll put it in the description box for you guys. And it's kind of a nude color, so I just kept it simple with the lips. And lastly, I'll be going in with this setting spray, and that is it for today. So this is the final look, guys. As you can see, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it, and I hope you guys really like this look. So don't forget to subscribe on your way out and share this video, and when you subscribe, don't forget to hit the bell next to the subscribe button so you don't miss any of our new videos. And anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and see you guys in our next one. Bye, guys.
What else? Your body will kill me. Yeah. Open every palm back. Ram town. Yeah. 1, 2, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4.